Hi guys, if you've got a new braids or old braids on, this is a new way of packing a unique style to make your braids as an headband. You can make it two strands, you can make it one single strand. So here is me making it as braids on both sides. So you could pick a couple of 20 strands to make it into braids. Yeah, then after making it into braids, then you carry it over each other. You could make it overlap or just side by side on each other. Then you tie it, knot it at the back. Then after knotting it at the back, then go over to the remaining strands, you pull off the band, and there you have it. You have your headband, your braided headband, and you rock it out. You won't be disturbed by any hair flipping over your face. Yeah, there you go. Bye. Thank you.